Good morning students. In this video we are going to discuss chapter 32 word formation. What is meant by word formation? Word formation is the creation of a new word. There are different ways to form new words in the English language. First one is affixation. The process of word formation by adding a prefix or a suffix to the base is known as affixation. Affixation turns one part of speech to another part of speech, but this need not happen always. For example, write. It is a verb. When we add a suffix at the end of this word, we get a new word. For example, r. When we add this suffix at the end of write, we get the new word writer. Write is a verb and writer is a noun. So, here affixation turns one part of speech to another part of speech. Next example, author. Author is a noun. When we add a prefix at the beginning of this word, for example, co. Co is a prefix. When we add co before author, we get the new word co-author. Co-author is also a noun. So, there is no change in the parts of speech. Author and co-author are nouns. What is meant by prefixes? Prefixes are added at the beginning of a word to create new words. Example, co-author. Co is a prefix. We add this co before author, we get the new word co-author. There are different types of prefixes. Let's see what are they. First one is negative prefixes. Words like un, in, non, dis, a are negative prefixes. Example, unfair. Un is a prefix. When we add un before the base word fair, we get the new word unfair. Like that, inability, non-practicing, disinclined, immoral, etc. Next type is reversative prefixes. Prefixes like un, de and dis are called reversative prefixes because they suggest reversing of action, deprival, etc. Example, unscientific, derecognize, deforestation, untie, unseat, etc. Next type is pejorative prefixes. Prefixes like mis, mal, pseudo are known as pejorative prefixes. Example, mislead, malfunction, pseudonym, etc. Next type is prefixes of degree or size. Prefixes like sub, arc, super, out, sir, sub, over, under, hyper, ultra, mini, etc. are prefixes of degree or size. Example, substandard, archenemy, supertanker, outdo, surmount, subhuman, overeat, underestimate, hypertension, ultramodern, minibus, etc. Next type is prefixes of attitude. Prefixes like co, counter, anti, pro are known as prefixes of attitude. Example, cooperate, counterproductive, antithesis, pro-government, etc. Next type is prefixes of time and order. Prefixes like for, pre, post, ex, re are known as prefixes of time and order. Example, predetermined, forewarned, postgraduate, ex-minister, resettle, etc. Next type is number prefixes. Prefixes like multi, poly, bi, tri, etc. are number prefixes. Example, multi-party, polysyllabic, bilingual, triangle, etc. Next, what is meant by suffixes? Suffixes are added at the end of a base word to create new word. Example, ly in lovely, s in towards, style in Kerala style, full in useful, able in venerable, IBL in forcible, ED in terrorized, ISH in clownish, AL in musical, IC in heroic, IVE in attentive, OUS in courteous, LESS in selfless, IOUS in vivacious, like in ladylike, Y in hairy, EN in heighten, IZD in civilized, OR in editor, ANT in accountant, EE in payee, ATIO in exploration, AL in refusal, ING in building, AGE in drainage, NESS in highness, ISM in commercialism, HOOD in boyhood, SHIP in friendship, LET in booklet, etc. Next type is conversion. Conversion means using one part of speech to do the function of another part of speech. Example, bottle. Bottle is a noun, but it can be used as a verb also. See the sentence, he opened the bottle. In this sentence, bottle is used as a noun. See the next sentence, the wine was bottled in 1997. In this sentence, bottle is used as a verb. Next one is compounding. Compounding means adding one base word to another base word. Example, swimming pool. Swimming is a base word and pool is another base word. Combination of these two words to create a new word, swimming pool. Another example, sightseeing. Sight is a base word and seeing is another base word. Combination of these two to help to create a new word, sightseeing. Another example, teapot, motorcycle, etc. Reduplication. Reduplication means combination or repetition of similar words. Example, goody goody. Next one is clipping. A small piece trimmed from a word to create new word is known as clipping. Example, phone from telephone. Bus from omnibus. Telephone is trimmed to create a new word, phone, and omnibus is trimmed to create another new word, bus. Next one is blending. It joins parts of two words. Example, brunch. Brunch is created from breakfast and lunch. Another example, smog. Smog is created from smoke and fog. And the last one is Bahuvrhi. Bahuvrhi often refers to a characteristic of a person. Example, barefoot, low life, red-headed, white collar, turncoat, etc. These are all about word formation. Thank you.